In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter to an Excel pivot table. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to control which data appears in your pivot table, so you can focus on just the information you actually need. Let's start with your pivot table already created and visible on your worksheet. If you don't see the pivot table fields pane on the right side of your screen, simply click anywhere inside the pivot table. Excel will automatically bring up the pivot table fields panel, along with the Pivot Table Analyze and Design tabs on the ribbon. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, you'll see all the available columns from your original dataset listed at the top, and 4 areas at the bottom: filters, columns, rows, and values. To add a filter that controls the entire pivot table at once, we're going to use that filters area. Decide which field you want to filter by. This could be something like region, category, date, or any other column that makes sense for your analysis. Click and drag that field down into the filters area at the bottom of the pane. As soon as you drop it there, you'll see a new filter control appear just above your pivot table on the worksheet. Now, let's use that filter. Click the drop-down arrow next to the new filter label. Excel will show you a list of all the unique values from that field. By default, all of them are selected, which means your pivot table is currently showing everything. To focus on specific values, first uncheck the Select All option, then check only the items you want to see. When you click OK, the pivot table will instantly refresh to show only the data that matches your selection. If you ever want to go back to viewing all the data, just open the drop-down again and choose Select All, then Confirm. Your pivot table will return to its full view. You can add more than one filter by dragging additional fields into the filters area. Each one will appear as its own drop-down above the pivot table, giving you very precise control. Just keep in mind that every filter you add narrows down the data further. If you want to remove a filter field completely, go back to the Pivot Table Fields pane and drag that field out of the filters area, or uncheck it from the field list. The filter drop-down will disappear and the pivot table will expand to include that data again. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to add and use filters in an Excel pivot table to quickly slice and explore your data.